But guys, I'm not gonna lie, I do love Forex so much, because Forex, guys, to me is the only business that will change my life. You know what I'm saying? This is the only business that will change my life, because just wanna go do some shopping for some I do need some stuff, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, from the money we made this week, you know what I'm saying? So let's go show you guys what I got. I got myself this one, you know what I'm saying? This one right here. Let me show you guys. This is what we got, guys, you know what I'm saying? And all this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you something else which I got myself this one, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I've never wear this color, but you know, today is going to be my first time wearing this blue color, you know. So I'm saying, I got another one for my brother as well. You can see here it was also something about 1,000 something about. Oh, I don't like to spend a lot of money, guys. I don't really like to spend a lot of money, because we really need money. I wanted a white as well, like this. Yes, so and I got also another one, something I'm gonna gift this one too. This one I'm gonna gift it to somebody. And this one was something about, I hope you can see this one too. There was something about 800 bucks, you know, say 800 bucks. So guys, this is what I got, and this is what I got today, and this is what I got. Ever since I find out Forex trading, my life started changing, because I did love Forex so much. At the point of, yes, that moment 2016, I wasn't making money in the Forex market, but was part of learning, you know. So I was learning, you know, say, how is it going to give me money? And then after that, I learned. It's the same thing that is happening to you. You might be not making money yet, and you've been following this Forex trading thing for maybe a year, but you're not making money yet. But guys, don't give up. Keep pushing. You're learning something that's going to help you in 2 years to come, in 1 year to come. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna start making money, you know, like this. You're making money like this because you're learning every day. You know what I'm saying? I've never quit. I've never feel like, yo, I'm losing the hope. 2016, yes, 2017, I did like lose hope, because I was like not working out. I was feeling like whatever I take the trade, something's happening. But I had to keep pushing, because I had that energy, bro. Like, yo, in my energy, I used to feel like there's nothing else that's going to change my life than Forex, because everything else that I've been doing was just struggle, bro. But 2019, I started making money, bro. I started making money. I started seeing some money, you know, I say, entering in my bank account. Even though I was making small money, you know, like $50, $100, $50, $100. Whatever I made $50, I withdraw the money. I use it on something else. I whatever I made 100, I wasn't see that much money, because I was using the proper risk management so much. Whatever I made like $100, I go, I see some problems that need money, I go, I withdraw the money. I left with like a capital for 50 bucks. And this capital, like 50 bucks, bro, I used to take care of this money, because this money, bro, this 50 bucks capital, because I remember the lot size I was using 0.01, and 0.01, bro, can't give you a lot of money as you wish. You know, so it's gonna give you $5, $10, $5, $10 a day, $5 a day, $10. You know, I say sometimes $20. But I had to keep this money. I had to take care of my problems, you know, I say, my day in life, pay the rent and the stuff. You know, I say, maybe a month I used to make like $2, $200, $300, and all these $300 is gonna go to my day in life, you know, spending day in life, paying the rent, buy the food and stuff like that, take care of, you know, some small stuff for the family, you know, I say, until guys I start put up the lot size. You know, making money in Forex, guys, it's just the lot size, right? It's just the lot size. The day you're gonna up the lot size and market enter your favor, this is where you're going to see that making money in Forex market is just something quick and something simple and something that doesn't even take you time. You know what I say? Sometimes you're gonna be like, yo, you know what, I want to take a risk from this trade, you know what I say, and you're gonna take that trade. Maybe you used to use 0.05 and you start using 0.020, and that market gives you like 100 pips. You will flip the money that you didn't expect. One market is gonna give you like, maybe you used to make $10, $5, and then one market is gonna, once the one market gives you like $250, you're gonna be like, maybe after 1 hour, and then you made like $250, you're gonna be like, what? And then you take another trade, gives you another 300 bucks. You're going to be like, your account is going to be on something about 600. You're going to be like, wow, this is where you're going to start pushing the Forex market. Bro, Forex market, I'm not gonna lie, it's a good thing. It's cool. It's cool. I love Forex trading because it has changed my life, you know, than ever, bro. It has changed my life than ever, bro. We never stop this. We never ever stop this, because this is for life, no matter what, in good time, in hard time, but we're still gonna push, bro, on this thing. You know what I say? We expect our dreams, bro, they are too big. They are too big. But I really thank God right now, guys. I really thank God, bro. I'm profitable. I thank God I'm profitable. I make money, no struggle. You know what I say? I'm not that rich, but I have no struggle, guys, in my life. I have no struggle. I can buy whatever I want. I can eat whatever I want. I can have whatever I want. You know what I say? Accept this larger stuff, but as long as we're working, we're gonna get there. You know what I say? I don't have Lamborghini yet. You know what I say? I don't have no Lamborghini yet, but as long we are consistent working, everything is coming, guys. Everything are coming. You know what I say? Because I understand everybody who got all these larger things, you know what I say, it all comes from pushing. It all comes from, you know, consistency, you know. So stay consistent, guys. Stay consistent is everything. We're gonna make it. We gonna make it for sure. We're going to make it. Trust me, we're going to make it. Don't stop. The only problem is that when you stop, when you quit when you already invest a lot of time in that thing. That's the only problem. So don't quit. Keep pushing. You know what I say? Keep pushing. You're gonna make it. Trust me, because tomorrow is not gonna be the same as today. You're learning every day. Every day you look at the chart, remember that you're learning. You know what I say? Every day you look at the chart, remember that you're learning something. So don't stop. Keep pushing. The good days are coming, guys, for sure. Trust me. Trust me. You're going to become profitable, but make sure don't lie to yourself. Make sure do not lie to yourself as if you're pushing, as if you're learning, but you're not learning. Make sure you are learning. But if you are learning every day, you're looking at the chart every day, you're trying the new strategies every day, you try to find out why you're winning the trade every day, and keep the same reason that made you win the trade, keep it the same reason that is going to take the next trade. You know what I'm saying? If you took the trade today and then you win that trade, this is the secret, and you don't need to miss this secret. You take the trade and then you win that trade. The same reason that made you win that trade is going to be the same reason that's going to keep you winning. Make sure you keep using the same reason on the other trades. Do not change the reason. You know what I'm saying? So let's do this. So everything we spent it, everything I spent it something about 3,000, 1.8. You know, I say 1.8 plus 1.7, 1.7 plus 3.4 plus 500, 4,000 plus 1.6. I just spent 6,000, guys. 6,000 land. You know, I say 6,000 land. Not too much. You know, I say, because I love to use my proper risk management. It's not even close to the money that I made this week. You know what I'm saying? It's not even half of the money that I made this week for sure. But you know, guys, when it comes to spending, you know what I'm saying, you need to spend at least quarter of the money that you made. If you made 20,000, you need to spend something about maybe 5,000. You know what I'm saying? Because you know, spending is not what you need. You do need a lot of stuff. You do need savings. You do need to save your money for the future. You do need to spend obvious. You know what I'm saying? You do need to spend obvious. You know, like when you make the money, like if you made like 10,000, you must spend like 3,000 and keep the 7,000 for the emergency. There's emergency problems, you know what I'm saying? There's this kind of stuff. Your car is gonna get broken, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot, guys. It's a lot. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot that's going on with the money. But at all time, guys, you need to make sure every single time, make sure you have the money with you. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got the cash with you, because the money is everything, bro. Somebody that's gonna be like, yo, money is not everything. Don't listen to the person. Money is everything, guys. Make sure you got money. Without money, bro, you're gonna struggle, you know? So make sure every single time, girl, brother, dad, and everyone, make sure every single day you got money with you in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got money every single time in your bank, because, bro, without the money, it's a struggle. Trust me. Everything we do, bro, needs money. So that's why, guys, we need to focus on how can we make more money. You know what I'm saying? We need to focus on how can we make more money, because we need more money, bro, for a living. We need more money for sure. We do need more money, you know? So do the right things, man. Make sure you got money every single time. Peace out. That's my mindset. I do push a lot. I make sure every single time I got money, because I understand that my lifestyle needs money. Everything I do needs money, you know? So you need to do the same way, you know? Peace out, guys.